doing a little happy dance this morning. Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about a shave brush. But real quick, I'm going to roll that intro. I had enough comments and questions and views on my last video where I turned a shave brush, and I just finished this one up. I actually turned it the same day, but I had set the knot. I've got to wait. I usually wait a full day for the knot to cure. This is a 26 millimeter badger knot, and the wood is black walnut and cherry, and I had made all that stuff a long time ago. I had made a brush previously in a different shape. This is the one that I'm going to show in the video following. But anyway, here it is. This is kind of the shape that I'm going with. It fits perfectly in my hand to lather. I love these knots. I've sent out some tester experimentation things for other guys on the channel to check out the shape of the handle and a knot, and I'm sure you guys have already seen a couple of the videos. So far it's going well. I wanted to just kind of try things out before I actually do any to release for sale, because I know several people have wondered about that, and I don't have a good source. I mean, I've got a good source for the knots, but they are pretty expensive for the badger. And so that's why I went with the synthetic. And anyway, we're going to continue on with this video coming up. Like I said, it was one that I had actually made 9 brushes that day, and I tried to film all of them, and my battery went kaput on me. So I didn't capture all of them for the full length, so you're still going to get the fan and the evacuation noise for the dust chips and stuff like that. It's probably still a little shaky and off center, but if you guys enjoy that kind of stuff, you'll stick with it. And in the video, I know my lathe's pretty small. Originally, I think it was 12/15 years ago, I used to make duck calls, and so that's why I had that lathe. And one day I just decided I think I could turn a shave brush handle, and I did that. And I know it's, you know, on camera, these don't look nearly as beautiful as they do in real life, but this one is that one, so to say. And let's get on to the brush turning video. Shave brush number 2. I've already got most of the roughness knocked down. I'm going to come in here, clean up this edge a little bit, put a little bit of a angle on this right here. Not too worried about that end. Got my magic lines on there again. Just need to tighten that up. Need to knock the bulk of this off. Let's see here. I don't know if you heard that. I think that was a walnut falling. Scared the crap out of me. This blank here is a lot shorter. than my other one. This is something I did, one of my first brushes I did. This video is being pre-recorded in case you guys want more shave brush videos. This is really for more fine work, but I'm using it for that today. Close to where I like it. You got to have that much in there to hold the knot. Weeble wobble, don't make her fall down. I think that's where I'm going to be on this one. This is that beautiful walnut and cherry. Now it's time for some sandpaper, and yes, I'm using my DA sandpaper. All you keyboard warriors, type in your nasty comments right now. I love to hear them. Because I'm wearing all my safety gear. I'm 6 foot. No, I'm not 6 foot. I'm 6'3", but 6 miles below the surface. In my concrete nuclear bunker, wearing all my safety gear, even my tinfoil hat. So I'm completely safe. Respirator, eye goggles, jock strap, all that. So don't get too upset. I've tried to do all the precautions possible. Using my worn down sandpaper. I'm too lazy to go get the next grit. See those cat-like reflexes? Safety, man, safety. I'm just applying a little bit too much pressure. And the sandpaper, oh, Feels good. Back to using my super secret wood finish. You can see when different parts of the wood is super thirsty and then other parts is not. I do this differently than a lot of people, and I'm sure there's going to be some questions. I may not answer them because this is just how I do it, and it's not meant to be a tutorial video on how you can do it. It's amazing at how fast this spins that it looks like it's a maple color. See how beautiful that is? Woo, voila. Here's my brush. Are you guys still with me? Here's the brush handle and the knot. I'm going to slide right in there. There's what she's going to look like. Beautiful. It's going to work great too. Thanks for watching.